Two best waistline exercises for 60 plus? You know, those of us who've been blessed with 60 plus years on God's green earth have a lot of other things to do than worry about what you see in these six-pack abs. We don't need them. But we wouldn't mind our waistlines a little trimmer and a little firmer, and we do need a strong waistline for most of the activities we enjoy doing. From gardening to golfing, from, helping out at charity events or chasing our grandkids around. Life requires bending and twisting. So let's look at two amazing exercises that'll strengthen and firm your waistline, your core, and you won't have to work up a sweat to accomplish it. Hi, I'm Kevin, and I'm way over 70 plus myself. So the first great waistline core firming and strengthening exercise is one you may recognize from our PE days back in high school, mountain climbers. Now you smart 60 plusers know to start off easy and get your body used to any new movement. And because we're all different, with our own health histories, check with your doctor before starting any exercise program. Any aches, pains, or discomforts, stop. Let them know. Get there okay. Let's start with standing mountain climbers. Feet about shoulder width apart, grab your sturdy chair for balance. Pull your belly button in, back straight, right leg up, down. Left leg up, down. Pretty simple. It's almost like a march, like you're marching up the hill. 1. Let's do a set of 10. 2. 3. 4. Pull this in. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Good. That's one set. Rest for 30 seconds. Second set of 15 reps. That's great. Now, if that felt doable with no aches or discomfort, let's try mountain climbers in a more mountain climbing position. Hands on the wall, feet out a little bit. And don't do these in your stocking feet, especially if you're, do them on a counter or against a wall where there's a tile floor. What's going to happen? You're going to slide down and you'll be eating baseboards. So don't let your feet slide. Wear gym shoes. Back straight, belly button in. I know for most of us who've got some kind of tummy over belt, it may be tough to feel pulling your belly button in. But please try. You're still waking up your core muscles. Okay, out a little bit. Right leg up, left leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, back straight, I gotta remember. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Rest. 30 seconds or so. Second set, 15 reps. Now, if standing and wall mountain climbers were comfortable, no aches or pains, discomfort in your back, you can try a set with hands on a sturdy chair or the counter. It's a little lower than the wall. Back straight, belly button in. Let's do a nice set. You're down a little bit. Remember, your sturdy chair is not sitting on a slippery floor either. It's on a rug. 1, 2, 3, 4, back straight. 5, 6, belly button in. 7, 8, 9, 10. That was great. That was a good effort there. Now, if you remember, for me, it's so long ago, back in high school, we used to do mountain climbers from a push-up position. You do 1, 2, and of course, we had more room in a gym than I do in my little home gym here. But then after a while, the coaches, being coaches, would want you to up the ante. And you'd be sprinting mountain climbers like you're chasing somebody up, Mount Kilimanjaro. Well, don't. You don't have to do those. It's tough on the back, and you can do mountain climbers with hands on sturdy chair or counter and get plenty of firming and strengthening in your waistline, your core area. No problem. Coach isn't watching. Let's look at our second waistline exercise, leg extensions. You can lie down on the floor if you can easily get up again, or a sturdy bench. In future videos, we'll look at some real basic equipment you can have in your home gym that's going to help you out a lot. Or if you don't have that, lay on a firm bed. Down on the floor, comfortably. You know, they talk about pulling your back into the surface that you're laying on, and you can kind of finagle that. But it's tough for me to get the feel of that. So what I do is I just think about pulling my belly button in, and that kind of flattens everything out. First thing we're going to do is legs at a 90-degree angle, and we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, kind of just tapping your heel, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Should be a little easy for us because most of the time your legs are actually they're kind of resting over your hips. Second variation, we're going to bend our legs maybe at a 45-degree angle, our knees, so they're out a little bit more. I like to have my hands on the side. It's good for balance, but you could put them on your waist and feel your waistline working. You really can, after a while, feel your abdominal muscles working in there. But once again, if you've got a little bit of weight over tummy, it's going to take some time for that to happen. We've got time. You know, we'll make it happen. So hands at the side, feet out just a little bit more. 1, and don't bring them all the way back. 2, 3, I do feel these. 4, 5, but it's just enough to work them. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Rest. Now in both of those, and in all these we're going to do, you can obviously do a set of 10 repetitions, each leg rest for 30 seconds, do a set of 12, rest for 30 seconds. And the last one is just basically a leg lift. Now you got to be careful with this because it kind of puts pressure on your lower back, so if you got any back issues, don't do it. If you're okay with it, hands at the side, your back's down, your stomach's in. 1, 2, and when I do these, 3, I got to remember to keep my legs straight. 4, 5, you're focusing on your form. What was that, 6? 5.5, 6, now let's count again. 7, remember, always help me with the count. 8, 9, 10. Good. That was pretty easy. And you don't have to do all the other variations with these. Remember, because the coach isn't watching. These exercises, ab exercises, will do plenty to firm up your core area, your waistline area, and give you a lot more agility and strength when you're moving around. Okay, when mountain climbers and leg extensions become really doable, no aches or pains, try to first set, 10 to 12 reps, rest 30 seconds. Second set, 12 to 15 reps, rest 30 seconds. And after a while, try a third set of each, 15 to 20 reps, if you can do it comfortably with good form. That's great. But keep this in mind. Some of us have, nice bigger legs, and common sense tells us that if we carry a significant weight there, it's going to take a little more effort. So if that's the case, stick with the first or second variation of mountain climbers and leg lifts. You shouldn't feel any pressure in your lower back. If you do, stop. Go back to the first variation. Let's try, let's say, every other day to really strengthen and firm your waistline, your core. Now with these exercises and the simplest of nutrition tips, what I always did was, and I'm trying to do that now again, reduce my caloric intake by, say, 250 to 500 calories a day. And after a couple of weeks, it's very simple, but you'll begin to feel your jeans getting a little looser and everyday activities getting a little easier. Now, I hope you found something in value in this video. Visit our Loving 50 Plus channel. We've got lots of other videos for you to strengthen and firm your wonderful 60 plus body. Now, please take your finger right now and click that subscribe button to keep us going. And let me know in the comments how you're doing. And as always, a great big hello and thank you to all our wonderful subscribers. I'm Kevin, your 70 plus host. Please take care of yourself.